Alright, y'all. I'm up in the Dollar Tree. See what they got up in this one. Ain't no music playing. I have these little lights, y'all, for the garden or for your front yard. I can't remember how good they worked. I used to get these. I can't remember how good they work now, y'all. If y'all got some recently, let me know how good they work, okay? Let your girl know. Let your girl know. Alright. Let's go down the $5 plus aisle. That's neat. It's got a lid to it. That's cute. It's real cute. Got a little lid to it. Only $3. $3, y'all. It's got like caramel in here. Home sweet home. I like that. Sweet summer. I like that too. But then when winter come, then it ain't gonna be sweet summer. But this one right here, home bless home. I meant sweet, home sweet home. You can put that one. That's only $5. Let's see. See, y'all. I'm trying to get this one. I was gonna get this to stand up by the front door, y'all, but nope, because it's rope for it to go like this, because that's got the things. So yeah, these are meant to be long way. This one is meant to be straight up and down. But the other ones is meant to be. Let me just get the summer one. It's $5, so that'll be cute in front of the house. What y'all think? By the front door, I think that'll be cute. Look at this, it's so pretty. Little fake flowers. I got the green one. $5. It's really, really cute. Okay, y'all, I came to get some of these right here, and they done got all the pretty colors. So I wanted to set them throughout the yard to put my thing on, but somebody literally came and got all the pretty colors. Oh, they got this gray, this teal. Okay, I have to figure it out. Alright, y'all. Let's see. Go down the snack aisle, then I'm going to get up out of here. Girl, you don't need no chocolate. Six count bags now. These kids picking out them snacks. They're over there picking out snacks. I'm trying to see what they got over here. As far as real food. Let's see. Oh, let's go see what they got in their cooler. Every time I come in here, I won't be paying attention to their cooler. Yeah, that used to be the kids' favorite.
It still is.
And she gonna say it still is. I'll get y'all some. They got the 4 cheese ones. They got. And Ty, you saying you gotta slack off that dairy, honey?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it with rice milk. Make it with rice milk. Let's see what they got in this cooler. Let's see how much this Donald Duck juice is. Well, I know how much it be. Let's see how much sugar is in it. $3 grams, 10% fruit juice. So they're trying to say it ain't only got no flavor 4 juice cocktail. They trying to say it ain't high in sugar. Look at that. Something ain't right. Total sugar is 3 grams. Total whole body is 8 grams. So that seems like it's right. It's good. Huh. They have these too, y'all. Let me know if y'all done tried this. Let's see. Some of everything you need, or want, shall I say. Look, they got the little old bitty miniature Ben and Jerry ice cream. Wow, they so little. Anything you want, they got it, they got it. Strawberry sundae cups, anything. When I came down here, I needed some of these. Some kids to work with these. So I'm back home. So about to show y'all everything that was gotten at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so y'all saw I went with this right here. This sweet summer thing to put by the front door. I think that'll be really cute to put out there, especially with the other stuff that I'm doing to the front of the house. Now over here, y'all. So I'm going to show you what I picked up because Oronde was on the other side of the store doing some shopping too. Like I say, in all my videos, we shop differently. A lot of time it saves time, but we, you know, he get things for the house, I get things for the house. Everything be for everybody, not just one person. Unless it's something specifically, you know, that many kids don't have or whatnot. He the one bought all the junk stuff. The junk food. And the kids. I didn't. So I'm going to try to get through and show you who bought what. I think the kids, Rod got his Teddy Grahams. And he got, Rod got his Teddy Grahams. Tatiana got cheese balls and Kylie got cheese balls. That is what you won't see in this, but they do have. They bought 3 things each. So I'll show you what the rest of their stuff is in here. Okay. So this right here, I don't eat this stuff at the Dollar Tree. Most things, especially like with brands like this. This is Oronde all day, and he done already opened it. This Cake King cinnamon crumb. Yeah, no, not for me. But he likes these Charleston Chews. These is his Crunch Bars. These is his Reese's. Now, stuff like this, you know, if somebody wants something, but it's specifically for the individual. So that's why I say the kids bought what they want. Well, got what they want. I bought it. But you get what I'm saying? Like, they picked out a couple things. He bought these cranberries. I was shocked to see that he bought cranberries. Some Reese's, and he liked these buffalo blue cheese combo things, okay? And these are his pretzel rods. Alright, so these chips are mine. I had bought 2 bags of these. I love these chips, so I got 1 bag out. That's why you don't see it there. This is one of the kids, I know. This is one of the kids, I know. These right here, I know these are Kylie's. They one of the kids, but I know them is hers. And I don't know which one of the kids bought these fudge mints. Might be Kylie. But I did get these right here. Because the kids was like, oh, we still like those. We still like those. So I got them. I don't give them this stuff often. It's in moderation. I like to stock my house. So it's that time where I can't give something healthy. Then, you know, we have to improvise for that day, okay? So something quick and easy. I say everything ain't gonna be healthy, but just because you see me buy this type of food and I try to promote healthy, please believe we're not eating this every day. This is just to stock the house, okay? To have extra, to put in the supply. People can be so close-minded on social media that they come down on you and say, oh, you this, you that, and don't even know what they be talking about. Like, come on, y'all. Some of them, not everybody, but some of them just want to bump their gums and feel like they important or they did something. No. So that, yeah, y'all. So it's not everyday thing. But I did get the 4 cheese, and then we have to limit dairy. Now, I think the cheese sauce in there, I don't think it got much dairy, but when this is cooked, it's going to be cooked with dairy-free milk. So, yeah. Bolden cheesies. Yeah, so it's the Bolden cheese and the 4 cheese. I already showed that. Got some pans for when we grill out or whatnot. Oronde bought these right here, and he bought those pans. But I guess he's going to be doing some shirts or whatnot. So he makes shirts. So I guess he's going to be making some and probably shipping some out. Probably to family or something. To his family or something. Excuse me, y'all. Burping. This is something else that he got. Brownie King. Yup. I know he bought these right here. Nope, these are my son's. Rod. I remember him in the store saying, can he get those? Those are his. The Brownie King, Oronde. So Oronde purchased some aluminum foil because we needed some of those. We always try to stock up. And I know he purchased this right here. This vinyl permanent vinyl for the shirts and stuff for the Cricut machine. That's what it's for. So I guess he's gonna try that out since it came from the Dollar Tree. He got some of these ice pops. I did not see these right here. I know he got those. These are Airhead snow cones. So you put them in the freezer. I did not see them at all. See, it'd be good for him to go through, because I'd be going in there for one thing. I went in there for like one thing because I stocked up on some household stuff at Walmart and stuff. So I knew I was going there for one thing, but he gets some of this other stuff, so it works out. It don't break just one person. You know what I'm saying? So that's the way we have it set up. So right here is these. I didn't even see him get them. I didn't even see these at all in there, but they look like they'll be good. Yes. Y'all saw in there I got some of these juices. I've already drunk one. Let me tell you. When it say 3 grams of sugar, that's what they mean, because they is not sweet at all. I picked up some more Solo cups. Right here, Oronde restocked up on our alcohol. Normally, I would grab alcohol and sanitizer and stuff, but not this time. He stocked up on it, so very good about that, because this is what we use to sanitize our hands and stuff. It's pure alcohol. Also, he bought some sanitizer, because he'll use the sanitizer before he uses the alcohol. So, yeah. Over here, this is all him. I don't deal with no Epsom salt. I don't know why he bought all this. Probably just to have it. But these say Epsom salt tablets. That is all him. Bought some gloves. We always try to keep gloves. I bought all these things before I found out that they was cheaper at eyelids, y'all. I don't know if y'all done seen that video or it's gonna come after this, but hey, I got a lot of labels. Y'all know I always get them from the Dollar Tree, but I had went to the Dollar Tree before I went to eyelids. Got these right here. Love these little these magic erasers for the walls, the floorboards, and stuff like that. We needed some more band-aids, so he got some more band-aids. So I'm glad, because they always get between him and my son, right? They always need them when they come from my side. They always done cut their hand or something. And then Oronde bought all this Epsom salt again. This is Epsom salt foot soap. Okay, so maybe for this. So I guess, I don't know. Look, I don't know, but the Epsom salt, I don't be dealing with no Epsom salt. It's just something about, I'll be scared. I don't know, y'all. A lot of people use it, but I don't. But yeah, so this is everything that was got from the Dollar Tree, y'all. Okay, so now I got to get this stuff put up. I am so tired. So tired, y'all. All right, so with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. If it's God's will, y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Bye. Mwah.